Hi, Portia here with Stitch Story, and today I want to share with you guys my inspiration for my crochet braid jewelry. So I'm wearing a couple of the pieces right now, a purple one because purple is my favorite color, and then gold because I like the way it looks with the color of braids that I put in. But I absolutely enjoyed working on this project because it gave me the opportunity to combine two things that I love, which braiding. They used to be my hustle in the early 2000s. That was my weekend job. I had a full-time job, a corporate job, but on the weekends I really enjoyed braiding. And then of course crocheting. So I put those two together. But what made me think about that was I was on Facebook the other day and I came across a friend's page, and we used to go to grammar school together, and I didn't know she did braids, but on this particular day it really caught my attention. So let me show you guys. So this was the first one that caught my attention. I was like, oh my goodness, that's very well done. And then as you move on, you get to see her work, and it just takes me back to those days in grammar school, Miss Sanders, Mr. Batts, all that good stuff, our teachers. And then you think about, this little girl creating this impeccable work. Now she's a grown woman now, of course, but I'm just like floored. It's just absolutely amazing. And you see how in this particular one, she has the jewelry. And as I was looking at the jewelry, and recently I've been doing a lot more crocheting than I had in the past, I was like, wow, I can combine these two. See, look at that. Her parts are super duper straight. It looks extremely professional. It does not look homemade whatsoever. So whatever she's charging, I do believe it's well worth it. Like I said, this is something that I used to do all the time. And stuff like this takes patience. So just like we sit and we knit and we crochet, and you sit back and you marvel at your work braiding, that takes a lot of time. And then you could take it a step further with the artistry. So yes, Miss Raven encouraged me, inspired me to make these pieces right here. So if you'll join me in my very next video, I'll show you exactly how I made it from cuff all the way to the end bead. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below and I will absolutely respond to you. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to Portia's Stitch Story. And until next time, peace.